Hello everyone, I am Nitin Rajput. In today's video, we will look how to perform S1AP integration testing in Magma. So for that, we first need to clone the Magma repo. So here is the Magma repo. We need to clone this. Now our repo is cloned. So I have made, I have listed all the steps which need to be followed to have a successful S1AP integration testing. So our next step to move towards this directory and spin up the Vagrant VM, which is basically a HW VM where our core is deployed. So you can see there is couple of Vagrant VM available. So we are going to spin up this VM, which is HW VM. So now we need to spin up this VM. Now we need to go inside our Magma Vagrant VM and perform one and run one command, which was mentioned here. So we need to run this command. Now we need to spin up the S1AP tester VM. So for that I have opened another terminal. So let me just show the status of other Vagrant VM also. So one is running. So as you can see, we have run the Magma Vagrant VM. So now we are going to run this VM also. So let me just quickly spin up the VM. So our S1AP tester VM is also spinned up successfully. So what will be our next step? Let's just quickly check that. So we need to SSH into our tester VM. So now we are inside our tester VM. So we need to run this command, make command inside this Magma LT gateway Python directory. Now it is done. So now we need to change the directory to intake test and run the make command. Now this command is also run successfully. Now we are going to run the intake test. So I'm going to clear the screen. So let me just copy this. So in this demo we are going to run only one intake test, which is attached test, which is the basic test. So let me just run this command, and it was performing a test. So as you can see, as soon as this command runs for attached test, it start performing test S1AP testing. So first it's checked in a non-federated mode. So after that it checks the health, APN and access gateway, whether it is stateless or not. After that it checks all the Magma services, whether they are active or not. After that it performs the test and shows the result as pass or failed. Let me quickly check whether it is passed or failed, and it shows the result as passed. So as you can see here. So thank you for watching this video.